There are 5 questions. Read and answer carefully. For each question, you have 5 seconds to think and answer. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a question. Which one is correct? Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is A, 471, because when you are reading a phone number, you have to say each number one by one. The correct answer is B, because do you remember? I told you you have to pause between each group. The correct answer is B, 13. 13 is not correct. 13 is not correct. 15 is not correct. It's 13. The correct answer is C. Both of them are correct. What's and what is are the same thing. The correct answer is C. Both of them are correct. You can say, what's your phone number? Or you can say, what's your number? Well done! You are done with this test. If you answered correctly, congratulations. And if not, it's okay. Don't worry. You can always practice more. Talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye!